So CIA is a company that does concepts, illustrations and animations. Our main customers are drilling contractors that build drilling rigs. Where we are different from a large engineering company is most of those are using sophisticated engineering tools to design platforms and rigs. We use 3D Studio Max, which is a program that's more for visualization. Drilling rig's different from a standard piece of plant. A drilling rig has lots of moving equipment, moving pipes, moving machinery, moving in all different directions. Being able to animate that and show how it works is very important.
The advantages of using 3D Studio Max as opposed to traditional engineering programs like PDMS is the speed that you can model in and animate equipment.
Quite often a customer will come up with a new project that he wants to go out and market. We can lay it out in a couple of weeks and he can be out marketing it within 2 weeks.
The biggest challenge is to find all the problems that will occur during the process. We are able to detect that in 3D Studio Max by animating all the moving parts, and we will be able to detect those problems during concept stage, which we couldn't really do in any other engineering software.
It's imperative to have the end users involved from day one using a 3D model that can be quickly modified on the fly so that the end user can actually visualize exactly what he wants the machines to do.
Well, not everyone can read CAD programs. Crane operator, for example, where if you show it in AutoCAD, he wouldn't be able to understand what will happen. Where in 3D Studio Max, we can put the camera in the cabin, he can tell us, change that 15 degrees, so it's going to be better for me, I'm going to have a better view.
Doing the conceptual design in that way, the rigs are quite efficient, and actually some of the designs that we've worked on have won awards for efficiency and no lost time incidents. On one project we actually went through 47 different versions before we considered it as close to perfect as possible. When it finally got built in Singapore, the customer came back and said it was the first rig that they ever built with no clashes whatsoever.
The advantage of 3D Studio Max is that it's a visualization tool with very good graphics. You can make things look very realistic.
The reason we chose Autodesk 3D Studio Max is because it's the market leader in 3D visualization software, and it works seamlessly with Autodesk Inventor and AutoCAD. It's a flexible, good program that a lot of people that we would like to employ actually know.
We find 3D Studio Max very fast to use. The results are extremely good.